You're sitting alone in silence, but suddenly there's a ringing in your ear. No one else hears it and it won't stop. This isn't a horror story, it's a real medical condition called tinnitus. Tinnitus is that constant or off and on buzzing, ringing, hissing, or clicking sound in one or both ears. It can sound like this, annoying, right? Now imagine hearing it all day every day. For many people, it causes stress, sleep issues, and even anxiety. Tinnitus happens when your auditory nerves or inner ear structures get damaged. This damage can confuse your brain's sound processing area called the auditory cortex into thinking there's sound when there isn't. It's like the brain is filling in the blanks with fake noise, common triggers, loud noise exposure, ear infections, water in the ear, even certain medications. In kids born with it, they often don't realize it's even unusual. Have you ever heard a random ringing in your ears? Let me know in the comments it's more common than you think. Well, there's no universal cure. There are treatments based on the cause. Doctors might use sound therapy devices, white noise machines, hearing aids that mask the ringing, or calming sounds like rain, waves, or rustling leaves to help you sleep.